First, I shall like to explain the problem. A triangle ABC with extension to E and D. ABC with extension to A and D with bisectors intersecting at point O. That is, these angles are equal and these angles are equal, as these lines CO and BO are bisectors. Let these angles be 3, 4, 5 and 6 for convenience sake. This problem needs to be dealt in parts, like the LHS part, namely the ABE with the linear pair of 5 and angle CBE. 5 plus CBE form the linear pair, which is nothing but 180 degrees linear pair. Similarly, on the RHS, we have RHS also has ACD with angle 6 and the bisectors. Here we have angle 6 plus angle BCD equals to 180 degrees, which is once again the linear pair. Equation 1 and equal. Dividing this equation by 2, we have half of angle 5 plus half of angle CBE is 180 degrees. Half of angle 6 plus half of angle BCD equals to 90 degrees. Here half CBE is nothing but angle 1 and half of BCD is nothing but angle 2. Therefore, half of ACB plus half of angle 2 equals to 90 degrees, and here half of angle ABC plus half of angle 1 equals to 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is nothing but angle B and angle ACB is nothing but angle C. Therefore, half B plus half 1 equals 90 and half of angle 1 equals to 90 degrees minus half of B. Similarly, we have half of angle 2 equals to 90 degrees minus angle C, because ACB is nothing but angle C in triangle ACB. This being equation 1 and this being equation 2, for triangle BOC, I have half of 1 plus half of 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degrees by angle sum property. I have values of angle half is equal to this and angle half of 2 is this. So if I substitute these two values, equation 1 and equation 2, in this equation 3, I have 90 degrees minus half B plus 90 degrees minus half C plus angle 3 is nothing but angle BOC. Angle BOC equals to 180 degrees. Bringing forward the equation of C plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees, which is this triangle. To this RHS component, now I will add half A and also subtract. I will add half A and subtract half A to the RHS component, and mathematically the net effect is 0. Therefore, angle BOC equals to half B plus half C plus half A minus half A, which is half angle B plus angle C plus angle A minus half A. And A plus B plus C of a triangle is nothing but 180 degrees due to angle sum property. Therefore, half into 180 minus half A and BOC equals to 90 degrees minus half A. Hence proved.